In today's recipe, I share with you how to bake bread using your pot, and you don't need a mixer to achieve this kind of bread. Don't worry, I'm going to take you through the steps and process. This was very easy to achieve. All you just need is a little bit of time to make sure that your dough is well kneaded. Now you're going to add 1.5 cup of flour into your mixing bowl. You will go in with a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, add in a pinch of salt, and now we are going to mix our liquid. I'll go in with half a cup of water and condensed milk. Now you can use powdered milk if you don't have condensed milk. Add this into your flour mixture and you will start combining it together. Combine everything together until it has formed a dough. Now you're going to transfer this dough to your work surface. You don't need to add extra flour at this point, okay? Your dough is going to come together without an extra flour. Now to knead this very fast, okay? This is a process that I have been using for a very long time and it always comes out amazing, and I do not spend so much time to knead my dough. What you will do is you're going to lift your dough and tap it on the table. You will do this repeatedly. Just do this for about 10 to 15 minutes and Faves, I tell you, your dough is ready. This dough does not require a mixer, and you can achieve this too with your hands. Just tap this dough on your table for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're going to have a very stretchy and elastic dough. Now, when you've achieved this point, you're going to go in with half tablespoon of margarine. Knead your dough until your margarine has been fully incorporated into your dough. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Remember to lift your dough and tap on the table. This way, you will achieve this very fast. Now, my dough is ready. Once I am done doing this, I can go ahead and allow my dough to double in size. You guys can see how this dough looks like in this video. You can see how stretchy, you can feel it from the video. Now I am going to just slightly flour my bowl, place my dough inside and allow it to double in size. Now you're going to allow this to double for about 30 minutes. Once it has doubled, bring it out, punch out the air in your dough, and then you're going to separate your dough into 6 balls. With this measurement, I got 6 small loaves. These mini loaves are my favorite sizes of bread to make. It always comes out so perfect for me. So you can see how stretchy our dough is. It is not breaking or falling apart. Now separate your dough and place it into your baking pan. Cover this up and allow to double in size for about 40 minutes. Then you can transfer this to your pot. Remember, I have always shown you how to bake with your pot. It's not so difficult to do. Add in salt into your pot. Place a pan or something to elevate your baking pan with. Then you're going to place your baking pan or the pan that contains whatever contents that you want to bake, and bake on very low heat. I baked this bread for about 30 to 40 minutes and the outcome is amazing. Do well to keep checking on your bread, but allow this bread to bake for about 25 minutes before you open your pot. Guys, once you've noticed that it is beginning to brown, then your bread is ready. You can bring it out and enjoy with any beverage or coffee of your choice. This bread is one that you want to try, and I tell you, the outcome will turn out good for you if you follow the right steps and procedure that I have done in this video. Please, if you're watching up to this point, do well to subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It is going to encourage me to keep creating great homemade DIY contents for you, because everybody is entitled to premium enjoyment, especially in this festive season. You can always do it at home. You don't need to have luxurious equipment to make something great for yourself or for your family. This is my do seal up any space where vapor will escape from your pot, and you will see that you're going to get a very great outcome. This is the result of what we have baked, and it is so delicious. You guys, I really enjoyed this one. I had this with beverage, and I tell you, the taste of this bread was so good. You want to try it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, before you go, hit the subscribe button and tell me what you think about this recipe. Do well to also tell me any recipe you would want me to recreate for you at home without an oven or without any equipment, and I'll hop into it right away.